ni pano sponsor party ni pano na ese party mato abama.
Now why not sponsor party now?
Yeah, Bryan Acheampong can want it.
Nye we MPP pa ya Bryan Acheampong.
Oh dead.
Mama nka se mchiro. Unim Jake Obila
ni pano sponsor party ni pano na ese party mato abama.
Now why not sponsor party now?
Yeah, Bryan Acheampong can want it.
Nye we MPP pa ya Bryan Acheampong.
Oh dead.
Mama nka se mchiro. Unim Jake Obila Nyamefa yes
Utako biche bilamte
Mumusa Bryan se watimi aka we ya be yi ano dia o me yi ano se e ba ne se na Jake ne won tokwa e yesika be ho na ne ye ni krom ama mpacho me bu krom anso bu krom Bryan ene ono se Bryan dia ban we na mpese obefi no just 2 years hwe na dwuma wa ya to ni ama wa ban appointment 2 years agrek 2 years ni ama Bryan aye wa agrek no uhu a I say ban we na mpese Bryan ene e born home samurai na ye ni kroma
kase che obi ya
see oboa ade na me kofa agree kase dem ba say o me yi anu 2 years pay 2 years pay
as a great minister
2 years mpo we anya 2 years
sponsorship no so ye way back before 2016
ya 2 years o ye industrialist uyo obi a wo ye njuma ni ya ma wa ba njuma say ye 2 years pe mo man na wo dia wo ye ni 2 years na gu ye Enkukon 5.5 million. And a Bryan of 5 or man. We saw the Hunscan or see the whole system regional and Kukon in front of Bryan Dibikoy. Oh, me yano, me started some Canadian 1 million. Mina mi jaye. Who said no, a hunya. Me who said no, okay, we know, or contested Bryan. Fine gentleman. Or yenejuma. Bemon can be that. Nin compare all your number for your done, but what do we are saying? A semo be na look and was any company.
Every busy time, nobody was a money apart from
go for so MPP a Bryan. Yeah, can go for MPP a Bryan. I don't know meeting yaka. Almost I say Jake, Diana only Jake, Jamama, Jake Nini problem. Well, you should give us break. Bryan. Masa Jaja Bryan.
Ono na party na chassis ebesi ndam
party ni de nkofo asoso no e wo ho bebre bet ono so asoso bia fine o kan o deserve but that time na wo soso ade no wami wa no ni ehun se Bryan o ma na ye dwuma na na o mu bi o ma no ne yete ade na wo Bryan wan ba bontian campo se oba na ese nka o chirem se me ni Jake ba ne se na Jake sika sem be na ma party sika be na ma oni Jake nya problem onya enum dwa no me yan start an keka ne nsem Bryan but masa first year you can some for na Bryan you want
party
because me I have the documents about Bryan na Bryan no you
Bryan oh yes sponsorship
na Bryan
position
Bryan
yes
Bryan
2016 asem no ekan
Bryan na masa ye nyina ya wuye kuremu yete kuremu Bryan say ono die no ye ne ndwuma ye say die no ono ye ono party na ama na nya bibi kura won nsem Bryan Osi adwuma bani factories yes en okroma osi den no wo den o start ni yes yes en adwuma sen na waye ni workers dodo waye sen tembe na hotel krobi eye Bryan say waye den osi waye den yedi no ko na sense osi waye den osi den
be rock city na wo pay
me say ni ndwuma Bryan osi ni ma dodo waye sen o fanase party no Bryan jama ofin say ya ho okroma ho Bryan o da be na wo take kofo asoso MPP say what say Bryan din wom say ono we kan enra
as a party financier
masa Jàil for Jàil
sika kese pim ma party ne emujo
put you ta Bryan me metime dia dance e wo ba bia say Bryan dia me say Jake nti because me and na me the cast be magic every Japan Jake dia obi a oni Paul refer me ma Jake e yesafo manfo enti Jake dia metimi atena ha ka say si e kon bia wa bo MPP kro no e Bryan Acheampong because of Jake masa give us break na yanka some
mo financiers asan mo ni bidin bo
me say ja
challenge or two ye
say challenge no me say omra me ya no say wo finance utimi finance party and utimi wia oman
how
Bryan me say agree kwa Bryan chire se wu krom on che baabi a otimi soso nkukọ no di nkukọ ni bi koye no kan che Ghana for no chire se 27 tons of nkukọ feed enuema ekeka ho no on che baabi a ekoye na yenhwe wo krom ha onka aren wa ma bontia me ya no masa Jàil yen kan sam foforo yeah, can't go for mudin hotia.
No, say party according to extent to say. I say party niya obia, ninsa wo bi obetimi afana say the party.
Edu omo ba omia de ya kokofodua. Bryan na gyina ho. Me kokofodua. Bryan na menkofo oma party fo no. Na anu ya no oma iska. Say odi bo
penfo is oma ye din o de ekoso nyina obi anhu ye because omo candidate na wo so omo believe say or no was so, but I'm telling you that Baumia one me I'm in the camp of Baumia, but say Baumia we know MPP ni be what the that person dare not so because or the peace about the peace MPP will retaliate 100 million times. I'm telling you the truth. Okay,
Ebra, Harry for Casaro say, Kevin Taylor by I am for a thing in a trust you cool. Ghana and running I am for any milk. Lawyers and judges, they didn't. Lawyer now, overcast and not. I will tell us any pan in your Bolivia or he has a worker. Or he in your lawyer on your judge.
Who is sorry to do that? Let's move forward. So people are declaring for their candidate. Who is Alhaji Bashiru supporting in terms of the upcoming? Now that the party has open nominations, who are you supporting?
Morosanda.
No.
I support one person.
Who?
The person that everybody in this country, especially within the New Patriotic Party, believe that if the party really wants power in 2028, we don't have to look left or right. You have to look straight and see the face of a very humble man, somebody who has demonstrated beyond reasonable doubt, both in political life and public life, that he's a result-oriented person and that he's somebody who has a very consistent emotional intelligence, very calm, who has innovative ideas, who is well prepared for the presidency. And I don't see that in anybody's face. I see that in the face of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. There's absolutely no doubt that
you are certain.
I am clear. In fact, even history is on his side.
Even though he led you into defeat.
Sponsor party ni pardon na ese party mato abamama.
Now why not sponsor party now?
Yeah, Bryan Acheampong kawante.
Nye we MPP pa ya Bryan Acheampong.
Oh dead.
Ma men kan se mcho. Unim Jake Obilan Jake Nyamefa yes.
Utanko biche bilamte.
Mumusa Bryan se watimi aka we ya be yi ano dia o me yi ano se e ba ne se na Jake ne won tokwa. E yesika ben ho. Na ne ye ni krum ama mpacho me bu krum anso bu krum. Bryan eno no se Bryan dia ban we na mpese obefi no just 2 years. Hwe na dwuma wa ya to ni ama wa ban appointment 2 years. A Greek 2 years. Ni ama Bryan aye wa Greek no. Uhu a I say ban we na mpese Bryan e na e bo ne ho samurai. Na ne ye ni krum